How many protons, neutrons, and electrons are in each of the following atoms or ions? This is Milochi getting ready to do this question with you. Now we have here a symbol of the element, and on the bottom is the atomic number, and on top is our mass number. So let's just say that our element is X, and let's write that this number on the bottom is the atomic number. Now, atomic number is always equals to the number of protons. So right away, we will know the number of protons by looking at the bottom number for our symbol. On top, we have a mass number. What does the mass number equal to? The mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons. So the number of protons plus neutrons. If we subtract the atomic number from the mass number, we will get the number of neutrons. And I'm going to show you how to do electrons when we do these problems. Let's start with A. Now, we already said that the bottom number is equal to the atomic number, which is the number of protons. So I have 12 protons. Next, mass is equal to protons plus neutrons. My mass number is 24. 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. I will have 12 neutrons. Finally, the number of electrons. If my a symbol does not have a charge, that means that the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Why? Because a proton has a +1 charge and an electron has -1 charge. This does not have any charges, which means that they must be equal. Neutrons are neutral, they do not have a charge. So this one will have 12 electrons as well. Let's go to B. We have exactly the same symbol except that it has a charge. That means our number of protons and number of neutrons would be the same as A, and all we have to figure out is number of electrons. We have a 2+ charge. Protons have a +1, electrons -1. Will I have more protons or more electrons? Since there is a 2+ charge, I must have more protons than electrons, because remember, protons are positively charged. How many more? So 2+ charge means I have 2 more protons than electrons. That means I have 10 electrons. Again, how do we do it? +12 minus 10 is equal to +2. That's how I got this +2 charge. So I must have 10 electrons. Next, let's do this cobalt ion. Again, what is the number of protons? Simple. The bottom number is how many protons I have. What is the number of neutrons? 59 minus 27. 59 minus 27 is equal to 32. So I have 32 neutrons. Finally, my charge is +2. What does that mean? Again, that means I have 2 more protons than neutrons. So I must have 2 more protons than electrons. So I must have 25 electrons, because again, +27 minus 25 will give me +2. I must have 2 less electrons than protons in order to have a 2+ charge. This is Milochi, and I hope that you found this video helpful.